guess what I just did? I saw a YouTube video on zines, and I had no idea what they were talking about, so I watched it. And it's a thing. It's like magazine, only it's made out of just one piece of paper. So I printed on both, well, on one side only, but 8 different pictures. And so this is some of my artwork that I used for my first zine. That's the first page, second page, third page, fourth and fifth page. That's my son there on the left, playing the guitar. And there's the next page. And the last page. Isn't that cool?